I'm Seth with Oklahoma Joe's, and today I'm here to talk to you about our Ryder DLX 1200 and 900 pellet grills. We're excited to introduce to you some amazing new features on the second generation of these pellet grills, while still maintaining the innovative features consumers love on the current models. The new Pit Control 2.0 system delivers category-first dual-sensor temp control for incredible accuracy throughout every cook. Fire-focused dual-sensor feedback optimizes temp control based on selected cooking style, low and slow smoking, or high-heat grilling. Go from 200 degrees for smoking to a red-hot 650 degrees for direct heat using the built-in Sear mode. And the newly upgraded Powerfeed system boasts a high-torque Auger motor that will power through pellets for incredible reliability and performance. When thinking about purchasing a pellet grill, you should ask yourself a few key questions. Is cooking space an issue? The Ryder models have 900 and 1200 square inches of cooking space. Would you like to personalize your cooking experience? Both of the Ryder DLX models include our Flex system, which is an integrated accessory system that allows for superior versatility with a set of modular grates, allowing for a wide variety of configuration options. There are multi-purpose racks that connect in the back of the cooking chamber, and optional griddle or deep dish pans that fit in the cooking grate for a truly personalized smoking experience. Do you want to monitor multiple meats in the cook chamber? Both Ryders include 2 meat probes with the option to expand up to 4. Would you like a convenient way to change out pellet flavors? The Ryder includes a Pellet Bucket and Quickdraw Hopper, allowing you to drain unused pellets in seconds for convenient and dry storage. Lastly, the Generation 2 Ryders come with treaded wheels, drip buckets, removable ash cups, and a large grip rubber handle. The L series are both exclusive to Lowe's, featuring an L-shaped shelf system, providing you an expansive wraparound workspace and convenient tool storage. From smoke to sear, Oklahoma Joe's Ryder DLX pellet grills offer unrivaled temperature control for unbelievable wood-fired flavor.